Hey everybody, Small Mario Brothers here, known as Susie's Fire Sprinkler. Yeah, so this is the Safe House Alarm Center burglar control circuit. Here's the inside of it. And we're about to have a test of my System Sensor Plus Classic. I think that's what it is. System Sensor Classic. So here we go. I think this is on 15 to 75 candela. I don't think you can see that. Let's go turn off the lights in the shop. See what it's like here, because the sun glazes through. Looks the same, much more brighter though. So that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching.